Ani Benochiak. Nimaba, BarbaraNolan.com.
So, Ani Bojo, Kinoomaage, Gweden Nimki and Dishnakaz, Miswaging and Donjaba, the Ganzi B Minwa, Baoting, Minwa, Wabajishik and Nodam. So, Miigwech Bisandawig. Good morning, everyone. My name is Jonathan Boyer Nolan. I am your MC today. I am from Mississauga First Nation with family ties here in the Garden River First Nation, but I'm raising my family here in the Baoting region known as Sault Ste. Marie, and I am absolutely honored to be your MC for today. So we will go ahead and I just want to touch base on a few housekeeping items before we go ahead and get started throughout the day. So just a reminder for our elders and our knowledge keepers, there is a washroom specific designated for you just around the corner. James, you want to wave? There's James. So if you just peek around that corner, there's for our elders. In the back area, there's Leanne, want to give us a wave? Lee? Back there, that's where all of our other guests will use their restrooms. We do have drinks, coffees, and water back on the side corner closer to Leanne as well. Following the videos, we will have a nice, beautiful lunch together and celebrate together. And finally, as you did come in and register, you will see some beautiful shirts there. They are for purchase, so please go and support so we can continue this beautiful initiative. So I just wanted to start off and welcome everybody here to SKG. I want to thank SKG for hosting this beautiful initiative. It's a beautiful venue. Want to acknowledge all of our knowledge keepers, our pipe carriers. This morning we did start off in ceremony. And what better way to start off a beautiful day together with ceremony and following our protocols. So I would like to start off on just saying miigwech. Thank you all for coming. I'm super happy that everybody came here safe. And we're gonna celebrate a beautiful day together. So without further ado, I would like to welcome up Colleen Nolan. Colleen Nolan is the daughter of Barb, and she has been an instrumental lead in supporting this initiative. So I would like to just give her some acknowledgement. She is the one that takes care of all of the social media campaign. I believe if you see Barb on TikTok, some wonderful videos on TikTok. I was scrolling the other day and I said, is that Auntie Barb? Holy jeez. So if you're on TikTok, please follow her. It's some wonderful laughs, and I think that's a beautiful way of incorporating language into the newer generation, and a lot of our younger ones could follow her journey on TikTok, and I absolutely love following you on TikTok as well, Auntie. So if we could put our hands together for Colleen Nolan.
Miigwech, Jonathan. Colleen Nolan, Indigenous class. My name's Colleen Nolan. I always tell people I ran away from home when I was 22, and then I ran back home. I moved to Ottawa to go to school and eventually had my family out there, raised my kids. I worked, and recently my work allowed me to come back home for periods of time, so allowed me that flexibility to work for my moms and being able to visit the community a lot more often. TikTok, yes, I'm my mom's 911 technical support call. She'll call me up and she'll say, I can't do this look, right? So I walk her through everything. Last year we decided to do TikTok, and you know, I've seen a lot of languages, and I thought, you know, why not, let's do something. So we started to create different videos, and then just some subtext so that individuals get the idea of what she's talking about. And you know, it's my way, it's also my way of learning as well, being in an area that our language isn't prevalent in the area, so it's a way for me to also learn. But you know, when we started doing this, when she started doing this last year, and I was all excited, and when we were initially supposed to do this in like April, right? When can we do it? When are we gonna do it? So just a lot of work and a lot of, time from a lot of people that have joined together to really bring this event here. So, first of all, miigwech to our firekeeper and pipe carrier, so Marlene and Dean, thank you very much for that. To the following organizations who assisted with financial contributions to making the first videos happen. So we have Anishinaabemowin Nation for the assistance with the production of the videos. So my mom traveled down to down to Bequejanong, and I got to practice that word, right? To go and do the recordings, and I'm also her travel agent apparently. So, can you get me a flight that matches a train ride to go here? Yeah, so we did that. She went down there a couple times to do a lot of the recordings. And, a lot of times it was time that she took out of her own schedule to do the recordings. To Garden River Child and Family Services for making the launch event happening today. So a lot of contribution with getting us here, getting the people here to get this event going. To SKG for the facility and the employees. So a lot of people that are here running around and doing all the directing and is a lot of the staff. So miigwech for your time in helping us here. And our planning committee, and I didn't write down our planning committee, all our names, but since the middle of July, we've been meeting weekly for the planning to get this event together, doing the marketing, doing the promotion, getting the lineup, and just really what do we need to order, the table set up. So, miigwech to our team that did a lot of the, behind the scenes production. So I'm really excited to see the videos. I saw like a couple of them, and they downloaded them on my computer last night because they are going up on YouTube. So I'll be putting up those on YouTube, and I joked or threatened to release them last night unless somebody fed me. No, but I got fed and I didn't release the video. So they will be up. So once they're all up, please share to the daycares and the schools and the families and everything, because all of her other videos will be migrated over to YouTube, as well as the new videos that will be produced. So miigwech, and thank you all for sharing and joining us.
Now, miigwech, Colleen. So I also wanted to just give a huge acknowledgement. You don't see them online here, but all of our online viewers watching virtually. So welcome to the live stream. We are super happy that you are joining us. Beautiful. We also have some special guests that will be joining us via Zoom. We have Mr. Pat Madabi as well as Glenn Hare that will be joining us via Zoom. So we'll be looking forward to seeing them momentarily. Oh, they're probably on right now. We'll give them a shout out. Ani, Minokajap, Minokajap. Awesome. Oh, there they are. Ani. Ani, Pat. Oh, you're on mute. Just kidding. Okay, well, while they get their cameras sorted out, we'll continue on with our morning and our introductions. So again, I just wanted to acknowledge all of our guests here in attendance, as well as virtually. I see a lot of beautiful faces in the audience from all over the place, from Wacomico, as well as the school board. I see actually my kiddo's teacher in the audience, and for me, I think that's just absolutely important. Yes, we have community here supporting this, but we also have the broadened community coming out to support this. They see the value, they see the importance of revitalizing our Anishinaabemowin language, incorporating it into all aspects of what we do. So I just wanted to give a shout out to all of those leaders and movers and shakers in our community that took their time to come out and join us this morning. So naha, miigwech. I would like to just give a couple of acknowledgements. As we are aware, we are at the SKG. So we just wanted to acknowledge our president here, Mary Wabano. She does send her warmest regrets. She is unable to make it here, but does send her love. And we do have the board chair and board president, Mr. Dean Sayers, that will come up and share a few words. So if I can get Mr. Dean Sayers, Ogama Dean Sayers, to come on up. Miigwech.
Bojo Kinoomaage Gamig. My name is Dean, and I'm from Baoting here, and I'm trying to do this in a way so that I don't forget to acknowledge something. So forgive me if I make a little bit of a blooper, but I'll do my best. It's nice to hear and see those quite esteemed leaders joining us on the call here, and as I look around, there are so many incredible, esteemed people here that it was such an honor to see you here today. And I really appreciate the importance and how we've been able to make this such a priority. And you being here is a big part of how we perceive the longevity of our nation. I also want to acknowledge the local chiefs here, Chief Mark and Chief Karen from Garden River, Mark from Batchwana. It's nice to see leadership here. And you know, when we take a look at nationhood through the lens of the leadership, we are continually reminded by our elders, wherever we might be, that we have quite the legacy to protect. And that legacy really includes some core confines of nationhood, including our law, our land, our people, our way of life, but most importantly, our language. And I've known Barb all my adult life. Even as a child, I knew Barb, and she hung out with my parents, and she hung around with the elders here in Baoting, hung around with hundreds of them, would travel and do things together, and she was always, she'd get them going, just laughing and telling stories, and it was so nice, and I would try to understand as much as I could, but she shared so many insights around language with me, even as the time, as I grew older. I took a couple of years off high school, and I went back to college, and Barb was there, being a really beautiful support for us as we were going through college, and I see Sioux College people here as well, and it's nice to see Carolyn and other people from Sioux College. It's nice to see you here as well. Those beautiful insights really helped me as I learned from Barb, language, culture, and it doesn't surprise me that we're here celebrating with her again today with the launch of these beautiful videos. I can't wait to not only see them, but share them with my friends, because we really need to do what we can to help the survival of our language. I came on here at Shingwauk quite a few years ago now, and they asked me to help out in the role as chair, and what an honor to be able to do that, because I think about words from people like Barb and some of our leadership that were in Baoting here decades ago, and the vision that they carried and we carry now, that's captured within this space here, and language is such an integral part in the lodge and ceremony and structures, and that way of life is really being enhanced through work by people like Barb. So on behalf of the board here at Shingwauk Kinoomaage Gamig, I want to say welcome, and thank you for honoring us with your presence. Beautiful people. Oh my goodness, I couldn't believe as I was watching the people coming in today, like, oh my God, he's here, she's here. Oh my God, that was so nice. So we really appreciate you coming here today, and I thank our staff here at SKG for helping make this a beautiful experience for you today as well. And we're guided by spirit and all that medicine out there. We do our best to make this a warm place for you. And we also send Mary's regrets. Mary's our new president, Mary Wabano. She's really bringing beautiful vision to take us to the next level. We hope within the very short few years we'll have the ability to provide diplomas as an accredited post-secondary institution in Ontario, one of 9 new degree granting universities. This is the beginnings of that, and the foundation is based on culture and language. So it's nice to be a part of that, and we hope you can celebrate with us in the future as we bring a bigger complement of culture back to Baoting. So miigwech bijayan, thank you for all coming here today, and thank you, Barb, for all your work. It's a real honor to know you and be a part of your circle. So thanks for your great work. Miigwech.
Nahao, miigwech. You always just speak so beautifully. I always get nervous after I have to go up after him. I was saying this morning to a colleague, I said, I don't know why I feel so nervous this morning. I often get asked to do some emceeing, and I absolutely love it. But this morning I was feeling very, very anxious. then I remember what my dad told me. He's like, when you're feeling that anxiousness, that's that purpose, that's that excitement, because you genuinely care about the work that you're going to go and do or be a part of. So I just think this is just such a beautiful opportunity for all of us to be here together. As we give our acknowledgements over to our team here at SKG, I also wanted to acknowledge our wonderful Director of Operations, Diane, if you can give us a wave. Nee, thank you so much for all of your leadership here. Wow. And if I could welcome up Okomakwe Karen Bell from Garden River First Nation. Let's put our hands together.
So I'm the one that has to follow Dean. So Ani Bojo, Kinooage, Nimki Anaquet Kwe, Nokomis, Kokum, Jijak Dodam, Ketgon Zibi, Ojaba, Ojabwe, and Dao. So good morning, everyone. My name is Karen Bell. I'm the elected leader of Garden River First Nation, and I am very proud to represent Garden River on behalf of the nation and its leadership. So I can say that I met Barb when I was 14 years old, 13, 14 years old, and she was teaching Ojibwe at the school, elementary school that I was going to. And so I'm going to say mid to late 70s. So that's how long I've known Barb. We're very fortunate at Garden River that she chose to meet a man from Garden River, married into our community, and has stayed in our community. Thank you, Wikwemakong, for giving us Barb. I want to thank all of her family, all of her relatives, all of her friends, and each and every one of you for coming here to honor and participate Barbara's vision in continuing the language that she has always felt was so important, and which we all knew that, but if it hadn't been for Barb, I don't think Ketagawan-Zibi Garden River would be as rich in the language as we are, and as we continue moving forward, including Batchwana, including Bawating, and everybody else that she's touched throughout her lifetime. It is a true honor to have known Barb, and you all can relay and agree with that because you've taken time out of your day and traveled here to see that. I want to thank, on behalf of Garden River, for our former leaders, Glenn Hare, Pat Madobby, that are on virtual, because they also feel it's quite important for them to be here to also acknowledge and honor what she's done. I know in their hearts of heart and the leaders that move forward, we're representing the nation to the best of our abilities, and we're doing the best that we can to ensure that we advocate on behalf and for not just our individual nation, but all the nations collectively, not just in the province, but Canada-wide. When I'm at these meetings, I'm not just there representing my nation, but I'm representing every Anishinaabe person, Indigenous person throughout this country. As an elected official, I'll be there for a short window of opportunity to do the advocating that I can and that I know at my level. I want to really thank Barb for sharing your words, your language, your teachings, and your life with Ketagawan-Zibi. And if it hadn't been for you, we wouldn't be where we are today. So, miigwech, miigwech, miigwech.
Excellent, beautiful words, beautiful words. If I can now welcome up the Chief of Batchwana First Nation, Mr. Mark McCoy. Oh, look at that vest.
ever handsome. Ani Bojo, Ogama Ganuni Nina Disnakas, Makwa Dodam, Batchwana Dunjaba. It's an honor and privilege to be here this morning with you. I acknowledge former Chief Dean Sayers here, this beautiful facility, the firekeeper, the beautiful ceremony we started with. Unfortunately, I don't know Barb personally. Moved away from here when I was young and moved back about 14 years ago. So I prepared some stuff with the help of a colleague. So I'm delighted to be here on behalf of Batchewana First Nation to express my excitement, appreciation, and support for this important endeavor that Barb has embarked upon. Today we are celebrating the launch of Barb's upcoming animated Anishinaabemowin children's videos that strive to preserve and promote our original language. Barb has worked over 10 years with the children at our daycare and has been instrumental in developing the first native as a second language curriculum for the elementary schools. So this project is very natural in progression and puts all of our talents in one special place. This project will benefit our nations and our collective future for creating an archive of our language that can be accessed by children, young and old, to foster a deeper connection to the culture. For that, I say miigwech, Barb. I would like to welcome all our distinguished guests in attendance today and ask you to put your hands together for Barb's heartfelt effort to preserve and promote our Anishinaabemowin language. So, on behalf of Batchewana First Nation, miigwech, and all the best. Okay, thank you.
How miigwech, miigwech. Very good words, excellent. At this time, I would also like to welcome up, as we've seen earlier, we do have some special guests online. So if we can get them back up on our screen, I would like to first call on Patrick Madawby. He is our Commissioner of Governance for the Anishinaabe Nation. So if we can put our hands together for Mr. Madawby.
Bonjour, Kunawee. We don't say there's Nakas. On deck, I'm the conning, Ministing Donjaba. We say Dodem. Greetings to all of the elders, Gimakwe, in attendance. And a special miigwech to Barb and everyone involved in this project. We had an opportunity during the Anishinaabe Nation Grand Council this summer to get a taste of the type of video that Barb has been producing. These are super fabulous, and we are really looking forward to seeing the new work that's been done. You know, Anishinaabe, and it goes to the heart of who we are as Anishinaabe. Our former elder, Gordon Wandabesba, used to say, a duck is a duck, a moose is a moose, and an Anishinaabe is an Anishinaabe, and you can't be anything else. And I know, you know, Barb said it takes, you know, about 10,000 hours to become real fluent in Anishinaabe, but, you know, we have to learn a little bit every day. And she has been really phenomenal in helping promote, you know, language revitalization. And these videos, especially dealing with children, are going to be so crucial to their learning. And I think, you know, we have to decolonize our thinking and start thinking from an Anishinaabe perspective. And, you know, it's so important that, you know, that's the uniqueness of who we are as Anishinaabe. It goes to the heart of our identity, you know, that we are Anishinaabe people. And we have to think like from an Anishinaabe perspective. You know, the English language doesn't do justice compared to the beautiful, so descriptive language that we have. And so, you know, it's a real testament to Barb and to the people that have worked with her to put this together, because, you know, our children, they're the future, and, you know, they're going to be the ones that are our leaders. And, you know, I think as we gain traction on bringing the language back, you know, this is the type of work that's going to be needed, you know, to really help that along. You know, so I was pleased, you know, as a former Grand Council chief, and when Glenn, he was Grand Council chief, appointed Barb to this position of language commissioner, that, you know, we had, you know, one of the best, you know, at the helm of that language commission. And so, you know, we put some resources to it. And, you know, I think, again, you know, we have an opportunity now, you know, even with the Huron Treaty resources, to put more effort into language, and all of our communities need to put more effort and financial resources to, you know, adequately, you know, look after the language speakers and the elders that are still carrying the language for us so that we can all learn. So again, super fabulous, fantastic effort, Barb. Congratulations to all that have been involved, and we're really looking forward to more and more of this going down into the future. So, Chumigwech. Oh,
All right. At this time, I believe we do have Ogama Glenn Hare. So Glenn Hare is our former Ontario Regional Chief with the Chiefs of Ontario. So if we can bring up Mr. Hare on the screen momentarily.
Now, noon those him?
Look how nice that tie looks, on that screen. Holy jeez,
yeah.
I must say the artist that designed it is in the room is Crystal Abel. Give her a nice shout out. It's always funny every time I go somewhere and go, I just love your tie. So don't pull on it too much though, it's a clip on. So don't tell no one. Awesome. All right, so while we're waiting for Glenn Hare to join us on screen, we'll just talk a little bit about, these videos and the importance of these videos. And I remember it was a few years ago. I have twins, like I said earlier. They're going to be 6 years old at the end of September.
We're gonna leave. How do I get
But our
off?
little ones really loved. It was a cartoon called Molly of Denali. I don't know if people are familiar with it, but it's on PBS Kids. And she's just so animated. I'm like, who would be perfect to do this is Barb. But for our region. Oh, look at that, Ani Glenn.
Honey. Okay, well, Jimmy, what's in the kid getting week me once and come young kid Barb. Jimmy, what's Nick ye ever get Nick Mother Anishinaabemowin. They get they were done. Get sick. Of they we've been doing not we not more can I get pane on the digital day. After again, Nunga Wam the Mag up in King. Kenneth Ashwood and go get up getting the go, my winner snap at me. Guy went go, he knew inch buying, with the gay Jugna he question cool but Toronto way out to Premier, not Prime Minister, gay no question. Tom Gundon Anishinaabemowin. Migi no, Gakinomo Zikwe, he no Barb, he no Bezikwa. Manda Dishnunga. Estige in numbers in the and Kinoomaage, we know it's got a manda. After that, Jimmy West and Dick the Mac, guy with good name, can I go in Chiang? Keen basically ni gone zine manda. Guy with good manda, we gigging, we should be men gago. Me manda get ni make when Mars in the mud beyond them go. Was the Shashu Bishame? Can he got Kusha, Kenneth Keen, Gima, even ni gone zia, Nim Damana, Sapumnik. Me go mad Anishinaabemowin, but Martin goes in the king. He no. He gets a pizza. Me go to the Makunim, can I go in chi? So, first, and foremost, I want to say congrats and Jimmy Gretsch to Barb for all her hard work promoting education, the language. I'm extra excited. I hope we cross paths, and I know we will again many times in the coming days there, Barb. But I'm proudly going to accept the job that I started Monday morning as the executive director of the Ojibwe Culture Foundation. And language is going to be on the top of my list in that organization. And at some point, I do have many insights that I want to explore and invite, and I'd like to be part of that with us, because the Anishinaabe Nation is coast to coast. It's not only in one little area. And for us to have this and for our kids to see, not only to speak, but also to write it, we've come a long ways. And we got to stay on top of that, because, the French, when I listen to the French language in Quebec, ours is just as important, if not more. We are the first language, and I've conveyed that to many colleagues and government people. So we're there, we understand it, but these goal markers were set by Barb and her colleagues, her elders, get your pizza jig. So just in last leaving with us here, I really want to keep echoing that we don't use the word school. Again, my elders, I've listened to them. It's a bad word because it comes out of residential school. They used to come and steal our kids and promise us that they were going to take us to school. And look what happened and what they did to us. Kinoomaage Gamig and to Kinoomaade. That's what we use, where it's a learning place. So if somebody comes in and gets us or ours come and gets to teach us, Ambe, Okendasta, and to Kinoomaade. Those are the kind of words we need to share with all the people. Lastly, reconciliation. Jaganash talks about that. Every one of our people of all ages, we want to see reconciliation, not just keep talking about it and meeting about reconciliation. Oh, we had a good meeting. Let's meet again in October. We want to see it. The people want to see it. So let's do it. We're getting stronger. And as I said, Chimigwech, million miigwech is our passwords all the time. And that's so true to you, Barb. So we'll see you soon. I'll invite you to any of our gatherings that we have. And these ceremonies are so important. They're number one. So with that, Chimigwech Kinoomaage, I don't see everyone on here, but I know we all got good leaders on here and many more to come yet. So with that, happy trails and we'll meet soon. Miigwech.
Speakers and the respected dignitaries that joined us online, that was absolutely beautiful. But without further ado, the reason why we are all here today is to launch these beautiful videos and hear from the one and only Miss Barbara Nolan.
I just realized that I don't have to go up there. I can walk among the people, say what I want to say, and as long as this is not turned down, I've said what I wanted to say. When it's turned down, I gotta be, no, shaguna. Apchugong gitchinendam gibit go schneck mampi. Manda ni we kodazib dong nen msinates chigansad. So I'm glad you're all here to witness the uploading of our first 10 videos. The Garden River Child and Family Services are going to fund the next 10 and continue to work with me and Espekin over here to make more, okay? Because 20 is not going to be enough. I said, as long as I am able, I will produce more videos and more videos. As long as I am able to bring myself on the plane to Toronto to find where the Via Rail goes, and I can catch the train over to Chatham, and then I get picked up by these beautiful people that from Kejonan. This vision, I guess, has been with me for a long time. The idea of getting a bitmoji, you know what that is? It's not moich either. Bitmoji is that little character of me sliding in there. That idea plus creating videos came when I was mentoring John Paul Montano, who lives across the river. And but it kind of didn't click at the time. That's like 25 years ago. And so I learned a lot from him, and I thank him so much. He was not able to come. But anyway, I thank him for teaching me what I needed to know to pass on my language. I guess that part was beyond me, that it didn't click in, But as time went on, like I thought, and being at the daycare in Garden River, sitting with the kids, playing with them, doing whatever they're doing, and saying ooh and ah at whatever they're touching, like worms outside. And I said, you know what? Sometimes I go away for 2 weeks at a time. There's nothing for them there as far as language is concerned. So the more I thought about that, the more I thought, well, I have to produce videos in the language, comic videos, so that the kids will be interested to watch it. Not some like, Anishinaabemowin, like that, eh? It has to be like this. Anishinaabemowin. You have to be happy and be with it, hey? For the kids. And all of us, we have a child within. So your child within is coming out today to watch the videos. But you know what I said to my friends this morning? I was coming in over there and I said, and they're all hugging me, my 2 good daughters over there. And I said, you know what? I pulled a fast one. I'm not going to show children's videos, I'm going to show adult videos. But I wish to thank each and every one of you for coming, especially my family, Rosella and Shirley, my 2 sisters, and also my other sisters, Martina, Gertie, Pat. My son Tommy is somewhere. Stand up, Tom, so we can see you. My son Tom, that's my baby. Okay. The other ones, and Jan, Auntie Jan, that's Tom's sister. And I guess, but we're all related, eh? Kinoomaage. And I'm so happy you are here today to witness this. This would not be excuse me. This would not be possible without this guy over here. Nani with. This is SBK. I met SBK in November. I was invited to Kedjwenong to do a workshop on land-based learning, land-based teaching. Okay, and I met him. He's a school teacher over there in an immersion school. And anyway, we were talking, over dinner or whatever, and he's told me about his YouTube channel. And so he showed me an example. You could sit down if you want. Anyway, so he started talking about that, and I looked at his little videos there, but it's not fluent, like it's got a little bit of Ojibwe in it, but I thought, geez, I said, would you? He says, I could do that for you. You could? And he said, yes. I says, okay, we got a deal. And then in December, I knew they had a long break right till January 8th. So I said, do you mind if I come as part of your break? You won't get a break then. Come on over. So January 2nd, I made my way to Kedjwenong, and we worked I went there on, travel day was January the 2nd, so on the 3rd, 4th, and 5th. And they welcomed me into their area, their territory, their home, and had me working. We just videotaped all day, him and his brother. His brother, Nani Buingegi. That is Gish Kondak, and he took care of the lighting and the mic, and all that. I don't know anything about that, okay? They had a green screen over here, so, and I have to talk like I'm talking to kids, okay? That's how I have to speak there, because, and I told them, I'm going to have imaginary kids there, okay? Okay. So I would be talking to, you're going to see when the videos come on, And then he, after a while, he throws me these clothes. Put these on, kid. One was for swimming in the water, underneath the water. I said, oh my God, I can hardly fit this, I was stretching that thing over my big belly. And then he throws another thing at me. We're going outside today, and all of a sudden I'm a policeman. It's just things like that, but it was so much fun working with him, and I'm sure we're going to have more fun as we work on more videos. So right now he's got another 10 to work on, so that's going to take a little bit, but I am going down there and creating more. My job is done after I do 2-3 minutes of funniness. And then he's got the hard part. He's got to put the background on it. He's got to make the animals move and all that sort of stuff. So that's his job. Bye-bye. When I leave, you know, because my job is done after the 3 or 4 minutes times 10, however many minutes that I get there. Okay, so I'm going to ask Esbeka to say a few words if he has a few words. I'm going to turn myself off.
Buju Kanoea, Esbekad, Newswin, Bekejanong, Deben August, Majikan Odom, Anishinaabemowin Kinoomaage Bekejanong, Kinoomaage Gamig. My name is Esbeka. I'm a teacher, Anishinaabemowin immersion teacher back in my community at the immersion Kinoomaage Gamig. So like Barb said, we did 10 videos that we will be watching today. I already started working on the next 10 videos. I also got costumes for when Barb comes down. And after that, we're gonna do another 10. We started recording Tabajmonan. We started recording stories. So we're gonna record some Nakshik tonight, Mainwa Wabong. So what we'll do with that eventually is get a full-length animated full-length cartoons. So that's what's to come. And if you say Anish P when, I'm just gonna say Weeba soon. Miigwech.
Miigwech Esbeka. I forgot to mention, when I was mentioning my family, there's Rosella and Jimmy, Shirley, Martina, Gertie, Pat, Jeanette Corsten, Apishai. Way back over there. I told her to come sit up front over here. She don't listen. But a good friend of mine and the cousin, Anna Riley, and Anna is the grandma of Esbeka and Kishkandak. And Gordon Shaunda, he's originally from Wiki. Where that? Gordon is originally from Wiki, fluent speaker, yeah. And we had a good visit, and during the times I was down there. And then I adopt kids, see? They come under my wing. There's Crystal Label and Karen Boyer. And more recently, I have adopted a son. I got 4 boys myself, and Peter had come into my life a few years back, and Peter, Nani Win. Peter, I worked with his great-grandma, Tay Legacy, at the separate school board when I started my career off as counselor with the children. And just in passing, his last name struck a memory here that I actually met his grandmother, who was originally from Wiki. She was adopted by his great-grandma. And so we became friends. He went to nursing school during COVID. He was over there, and then he came back home, and he has been working in the ICU, and more recently he's been accepted to become a doctor with the Northern Ontario School of Medicine. So I congratulate you, Peter. I'm so proud of you. And I told him I don't want to ever see you in the ICU. You're not going to see me there. He says, I don't want to see you either in the ICU. Okay, so I think with that then, enough of our jib-jabbering. We're going to start off with our videos. And let the child within you come out and enjoy these videos. And when you go home, they'll be up on YouTube, so you can log in there and then show your grandchildren and share the links. Somebody must think I have a snot in my nose. Oh my goodness. That I just looked over there. Stop, I was going like this. Okay, the first one we want to share is Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Aha.
Ani Benochiak, me Maba at Barbara_Nolan. Ani Nitskiasak, Anishinaabemowin Language Speaker. Kinoomaage Nished. Now, Jesus, or the Jesus, Nakshik, yeah. The big Jesus, Nakshik, Jesus. Minadash, ja, oder Nangosak, Batino, mi bena, non shenagaseok, Nangosak, Kangamedash, Nangos, Nahao, Nangos, Kapanis, and Manka, den the Ayan, Chishpinning, Boshkajigish gong, not the Selok, Apacheko, Nangos, Kapanis, and Manka, den the Ayan. Oh, Nishin Hagigino, Wikchatok, Nahao, Wikchatok, Egino. Nangos, Kapanis, and Mamka, Dendam, Ayan. Chishpinning, Boshkajigish gong, Kapanis, Sewak, Nangos, Kapanis, Mamka, Dendam, Ayan. Nished, Kipshigandana, Nangos, Batino, Nibna, Odegish gong. Nahao, Yabing Wading, Kanagam na. Nangos, Kapanis, and Mamka, Dendam, Ayan. Chishpiming, Boshkajigish gong. Not the self, Nangos, Kapanis, Mamka, Dendam, Ayan. Nahao, Nangwapi unpai, Kamquendan, Nanguadakshik, unpai, Kamquendan, and Nagamos, Kangandash, Negach, Nangos, Kapanis, Mamka, Dendam, Ayan. Chishpinning, Boshkajigish gong, Apachego, Minwatese, Nangos, Kapanis, Mamka, Dendam, Ayan. Now, Bama, Bama. Miigwech gignom chigek, Chimigwech espeke, Ishkanda, Nishnabemowin. Miigwech winem ginatmage, Nandam sinates chingasan gishagadege. Chimigwech kadego. Aha, Mama.
The next one, Ani, can you hear me? Kanondowim? Oh, how? The next one we have is Espika and I were always talking during the video of the video. Anyway, what do kids want to hear? What do they want to learn? So we can't leave out the animals in the barn. So the next one is about the animals in the barn.
Ani Benochiak, me Maba at Barbara_Nolan. Ani Nitskiasak, Anishinaabemowin Nished Napja. Nahao, Nungokwijame, O Kangamgong. Nishkemanda O Kangamek Mampi attack. Winish and Dache, Winish Eache, O Kangamgong. Bishika, Anishektat bishikka. Moo. Moo. Keda bishikka. Ni shebe shik endat ukana gamgong. Ja, ger she ja. Kukush. Kukush. Kukush ke odeta ukana gamgong. When shektat kukush. Mi ekdat kukush. Ja, ger daude. Bejgugshi. Bejgugshi. Da ode ukana gamgong. When shektat bejgugshi. Mi we ekdat bejgugshi. When ishkiabe eyat ode ukana gamgong. Baka kwen. Baka kwen. Minwa nabe se. Yauk ode ukana gamgong. When I shake that to baka kwen. Mi we ek dat baka kwen. Na how kya be shik. When I shoot the eyat ukana gamgong. Mastanish. Mastanish. Kidda mastanish. Mige ote endat. Ukana gamgong. Na how? When I shoot a bjikka. Kidda. Kukush. Kidda kukush. Minwa bejgugshi. Chichige bejgugshi. Baka kwen. Ketegi baka kwen. Minwa desh mastanish. Ketegi mastanish. Nang how kadniga medish. Ja shegi da ogi kisha. Ja chigette McDonald's chigkasta. Na how gamwa special kangamna. Chigette McDonald ukanga mekian. Hoa hoa ho. Kukusha imagita. Hoa hoa ho. Oink oink mumpy oink oink ode. Kennen gucci oink oink chigette McDonald ukanga mekian. Hoa hoa ho. Chigette McDonald ukanga mekian. Hoa hoa ho. Mastanish o magita. Hoa hoa ho. Bebe mumpy bebe ode. Mumpy bebe kennen gucci bebe. Chigette McDonald ukanga mekian. Hoa hoa ho. Chigette McDonald ukanga mekian. Hoa hoa ho. Bejike o magita. Hoa hoa ho. Mumu mumpy mumu ode. Mumpy mumu ode mumu kennen gucci mumu. Chigette McDonald ukanga mekian. Hoa hoa ho. Aha, mi mene kengamya. Naha, kegunin ma kegwa, wenesh eyat ode ukana gamgong. Ni pina yaok ode ukana. Naha, bama minwa. Bama. Bama.
Miigwech gignom chigek. Chimigwech espike. Ishkandat nishnabek nish. I also, I didn't want to say E-I-E-I-O. So I put the Anishinaabe ho, ho, ho to it, eh? So we had fun making these videos. And like I said, the background is done after I leave, after I'm long gone from his territory. Then he still has to do the rest of the work. Okay, so we talked about what else do kids want to know? They want to know forest animals. Now, we watch forest.
Ani Binochiak, me maba at Barbara_Nolan. Bonjour, nitkie gani. Nungwa qui jame qui bombseme. Me gwem te gwabke. When is nage wandamang. When is nage wamanget. Me gwem te gwabke. Nen gacha te qui mosseme. Nen gacha. We have bidas mosse. Oh, my God. Mus. Deta. Desh kanendon. Mus. Bama. Mus. Bama pibinar. Gawagman. Kayada. Yabe no so te kumasena. Nagueta. Wash cash. Wash cash. Scan. Wash cash. Chicken wash cash. We have no door. We have no door. Ayada. Makwa. Bidas masse. Makwa. Atap dita. Ishka. Makwa. Atap. Dita. Makwa. Nani wet. Dita. Oye nundwa. Kudundwa. Mein Gott. Ishka. Mein Gott. Ishka. Bamapi mein Gott. We have bidas mosse. Ishka. Oh, gosh. Abdigi just nagdad. Oh, gosh. Ishka. Bama, gosh. Ishka the jiggy beak. We owe this we shop it. Oh, bito there. Bito there. A mick. Oh, Ishka. The good in time, tigos. Tigos. Marching don't know that. We should tune in that. A mick. Oh, you mean don't know that? Spinning. No way back. Chishkish bundaman. Go. Miguel en nuetra. Chishkish bundaman. Matbe o de tigun. Tigun matbe. Aha, now pizza. Thank God. Do it. Bene. Stop vanilla magic suck. Bene. Spinning nabik. Mishke. Make it sad. Oh, up chicken arch. Make it sad. Point out was make it sad. We have no bidas must say. Ishka. Oh, Zerik. Gok. Optim ditaka yen bakkinana. Nishkesh nauset. Gok. Das was selling no way. Ang wabasik. Ang wabasik. Chimawse. Pew. Shikok. Shikok nishke. Hengach. Bekayata. Shikok. Oh! Nishke wede bodas poset. Kaiwi kano masi. Sabe. Oh! Tigis. Mama P sabe. Sabe. Mama P sabe. Oh, så är schön. Das är schnischki wap mananik. Wesiak. Mampi megwen pewaka. Nahau. Bama minwa.
Miigwech gignom chige. Chimigwech espike. Gishkanda. Nishnabek nish. Miigwech winem ginat magek. Nandan sinat deschigasum gishichradege.
Like I said, Espika and I were always consulting with each other. What other things do kids want to know? So we said we could not leave out, because in Garden River, Lynn Pine, she takes the initiative to smudge with the kids every Monday morning, whether I'm there or not. So it's about smudging and praying. So we thought we'd include that in one of the videos. So that's what we're going to watch next.
Ani Benochiak. Me Maba at Barbara_Nolan. Ani Bojo. Barbara Nin. Nangwadash Kinoomaage. Tam Ninigap. Degan Manda. Manda degen atagons. Mage degen atik. Manda dus dewegan chinkade. Zam de mampi gnundan kukde kutum. Gnundan ishbin bzin manik de. Mi manda degan enjishin kadek. Niederskot na maing, gdunda mananik manidok. Udeyachik, kida manidok. Gdunda mananik, we beshat ma. Bindegek mishomsak, bindegek nok misak. Bindegek din wendaganak hoeya ho. Bindegek mishomsak, bindegek nok misak. Bindegek din wendaganak hoeya ho. Bindegek mishomsak, bindegek nok mesak, bindegek binwendarnak hoeya ho. Bindegek mishomsak, bindegek nok mesak, bindegek binwendarnak hoeya ho. Kin de mananik, kmishom sinanik, kokmis nanik, minwa kina gidinwen dagen nanik. Gapagit nan manda, oma. Pidash na maing, manda gdoska ana. Pshkudeoshk. Shinkade. Pshkudeoshk. Quiska ana manda. Minoa sema. Sema bangi. Kasanaje. Manda też szkudens na kaza. Szkudens. Mige manda kidwen szkude mszku bishku na szkuzi twoja szkuzi szkuzi szku ode mi manda enjishit kadek szkude gegi noeg da nam szkude pinche in na beskan de shmanda szkudes met skad Gagiskanan, Shingwauk Kinoomaage Gagiskanan. Midash, just kamamanda. Naha, gdop kwene sgeme. Kwene, nishke. Kwene sge. Gdop kwene sgeme. Tam gninjin. Ninjin gap kweznas gap kwene sanan. Kinagego wenje shing. We temguk etang nama. Gap kwene sanan shkishigon. Kinagego ewam dama. Chinishing. Gap kwene sanan togan. Kinagego enundma. Chinishing. Gap kwene san dinendmuid. Kinagego mekwenma. Chinishing pane. Minoa nuio gapkweno sa nuio meno bemad sit we awya igwe mabage sema kabigit nana oma magpinamay Leadership gusin manggit manito. Gije manito. Kabugusin mana wibejatoma. We not magoing. We not moit nin gegi we not mak. We not magoing kidna. When bemad sit we awing. En sagishgak. Kaigwetvo nan gonguting. Mida shwe geshibo sen mangit manedo. Hagshen mego. Shwen mishnang shemenedo. Shwen mishnang. En sagi shga kwene we bemad siang. Kinage go ekidian. When we nishing. Kinage go ewam damang when we nishing. Kinage go enon damang when jishing we temgak. Kinage go when jishing we awang. Mieshe bo sen manget geshem manito miigwech. Miigwech we hanage geshem nito. Kinage go etek. Kinage go etemgak mampi. Bematswinenami. Mitas pigi shitang squana mine. Neap gabiskanan Shingwauk Kinoomaage. Minoa kadege me minoa. Skintan gamwin. Bibindigek mishumsak. Bindigek nuk misak. Bindigek ndinuendaganak. Niekadien skinta. Gibe auch the Schma. We reach God with Tarwing, the Mai. Me the Schminoa, we Nigiweat. Nigiwek. Abdek week Skabiok, Manito King, we art. Aha. Now sap me the wind. Me the Schwet take a ding, Nigiwek. Aha. Mishomsak, Niki wek, nok misak, Niki wek, din wen dagna wea, ho. Niki wek, mishomsak, Niki wek, nok misak, Niki wek, din wen dagna wea, ho. Niki wek mishomsak, Niki wek nok misak, Niki wek din wen dagna wea, ho. Niki wek mishomsak, Niki wek nok misak, Niki wek din wen dagna wea, ho.
Miigwech gignom chigek, chimigwech SPK, gishkanda, nishnabek nish. Miigwech winem ginat magek, nandan zinates chigasan gishagadege.
Nidashminoa, Gikanan, Gawia, Anishinaabemowin Yasi, Anishkunganing. There are some First Nations or some of our communities, Anishinaabe communities, that do not have any speakers around. And these are going to be tremendously useful, these little videos. And for the daycares, for early childhood education, the teachers can make a lesson plan out of one of those videos. They could learn large and small, you know, the animals or whatever, eh? And so Ms. Piquet and I kind of looked at, because he's a teacher, he knows, you know, what's involved in developing their curriculum, so it's going to be very useful. I'm not doing any lesson plans for anybody. They can do it themselves, right? I mean, we did the videos. Okay, so the next one then is about pets. How we love even our pets. Sometimes we love our pets, then we love our kids. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Yeah, but they are part of our family. So the next one is about pets.
Ani Benochiak, me Maba at Barbara_Nolan. Ani Nwichkiasak, Ani Snanangwa, Nished. Na how, Nungwa Quidwatch Matonim, Quitchkiananik. Batino, Quitchkiananik. Maba Beshik, Nimush. When I shake that Nimush, woof. Me that Nimush. Up Jigsaga na Nimush. Which yes na Nimush awe. When I shake gosh, yes. When I shake that gosh, yes. Kita gosh, yes. Opportune saga gosh, yes. Saga nigigi gosh, yes. Saga gosh, yes. Me get niche. Nimush gosh, yes. Na, das Jabe an den Ton Beschrugschin. De we was Pirabwe. Beshgugshi. Wee, keda. Wee, keda beshgugshi. Dida wewa. Kamamda bindik. We at beshgugshi. Abdek bujin. We at beshgugshi. Ab de shwigo sage gasa. Gasaga beshgugshi. Nagegwa. Anen ton. Kadig nebusen. Niwen kaden danen. Minognog jane. Maba. Kadig nebus. Niwen kaden danen. Minwa zonak. Zonak dan. Mies nou zitten. Maba. Kadig nebus. Sage gasa gogeyo. Saga kadig nebus. Kadashngi kensin. Anish ektat. Kinoomaage danon tuana. Nage beshik. Wabagino cheese. Kachie o wabagino cheese. Oh, apchigen dause. Wabagino cheese. Anish ektat wabagino cheese. Sintuada. Manchi dege kita kue, masuk ke dalam tu ada, kami nak pesen tu ada. Wah, begini cheese, kacang mana biasa. And that ke wah ya ne, mepto de shrimp apa mepto, bim scoop to, wah begini cheese. Nage hanen, which ke wan, awe wan, gigu, apchika siuk. Gigu sak. Mampidas abdek kakong ni kak. Ni shiba sam gatib kak. Bish abdek witon zam mabagigos abdek bing wiya. Bing. Aptika siyo ke gigu sak. No so inan gagom ninasok. Apche sage kahasok. Nidas quisha chgeme abdek, quichkien anik, quishaman anik, abdek we sniwak. Nimush, woof, woof, abdek we sne. We sne nimush. Abdek das quigish na ton, nimukachi michin. Abdek we damnat. Abdek we mapto. Kwakut da pagadon chawasak. We naban ni mo shote chapatot. We nadet kwakut. Tapska patot. Me we. Nage gosh gas. Ekadek gosh gas. Gay maba abdek we sne. Abdek sa kwishama. Mich mes kwishna ton. Kwishamat gosh gas. Abdek wene quigen mak kondak ichken anik. Abdek wene wignak bench gaslat. Kinata shkubandak nimosh gashgens beshgugshi kadignebgos wabgenochis minwagigos. Abdek kondak wiwisneok. Abdek quishaman anik konda. Za quichkien anik amlok. Abchik saga nanik. Gsagi guk gegi. Gsagi guk. Nahao. Bama minuan ichkiek. Bama minua wabang kwab menem. Bama.
Miigwech Kinoomaage Chimigwech SBK Gishkanda Anishinaabemowin Miigwech Winem Ginatmage Nandan Sinatis Chingasa.
In each season, but we didn't get around to doing a lot. So we did a Halloween thing, and I was told, put these on, you know? And I guess I was the witch. I'm not really a witch. But in this video, I am a witch. I'm a good witch. So the next one is on Halloween.
Anishinaabemowin at Barbara_Nolan. Abushonichkiek. Tassa onnanga. Non chuya kawab mananik. Pati no netushak. Nishka wede. Mainganine. Yui. Sektaguse. Mainganine. Nagerimase. Kanenine. Zegeko. Chibay. Yui. Zeges. Apachin zeges. Taga. Ninga. Mekumase. Ganuege ni. Mage. Mendosik. Dejna kargo. Matsichik. Mekumase. Antigen tapachetun. Chiktakan. Yigmebsia. Majibes. Bemeng uding kapaya. Patinok. Netusha. Pachikuna. Patinok. Mabaget pasman. Bib squash. Udnikyagi netibachia. Jiabusa. Kusmanak ni na patinok. Mabaget kidegashak. Chukuna nikya. Shinagusi. Mandabukun. Nikya shinagutine. Kidegashak. Anishuna pachin patinok. Ispekege babute. Tama pina vachpemingin no tetiko. Ispeke. Pashkwana chiyake pampesok. Yay, apchun sege go pashkwana chiyak. Seges. Patinok. Apchige patinok. Pino chiyak. Sisbak donsan. Evandad magechik. Apchu ipshigen danan. Sisbak donsan. Ich bin Bomin, dos Sisbak dos. Tam chetu dmok. Kego katu taugo. Kish pen. Apdek piminak. Sisbak donsan. Mie joebak. Tassel. Yoi, young music. Miigwech Kinoomaage Gamig. Chimigwech SBK.
Bushu. Next one is jingle beans, Christmas tree. So I told her we should do some Christmas songs. So she had Rudolph, she had Nagiwa Masa, Santa Claus, and jingle beans. Then I got some puppets. So I said, let's do a video with puppets. So here it is, jingle beans.
Anishinaabemowin at Barbara_Nolan.
Jingle beans, jingle beans, jingle beans. Do 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 do. Jingle beans, do do do. Kunan and Kidwinan. Aya Barbara, Bushu Barbara, Kunan and Kidwinan. Jingle beans Gamwin, Lad Motion.
Bushu Megase. Anishinaabemowin Minoya.
Menoya.
Astonishing. Genigon Minoya.
Anish jingle beans Gamwin and Wick. Kunan Lad Motion.
Na how? Mi manda enwek manda nagamwin. Jingle bees, up to Savo cannot chill. Jingle bees, up to Savo cannot chill. Oh, shingle bees, oh, shingle bees, up to Sabo cannot chill. Oh, shingle bees, up to Sabo cannot chill. Benny ben go, kinani bo, up to Sabo cannot chill. Oh, shingle bees, up to Sabo cannot chill.
Miigwech gignom chigek, chimigwech.
Bonjour. So next video is Dabana cars. So when we were making these videos, at first we weren't using any props. Then she mentioned a guy, Gunan Ma News when I forgot his name, but that guy said, when it comes to teaching language, use what you have. So I told her, okay, use what we have. I got some costumes. I got a police officer outfit. Let's use that. So that's the next one, Dabana cars.
Ani Benochiak, me Maba at Barbara_Nolan. Ani Nitskiak, Nishken and Hoshrebak. Kuchinda, Mumpim, Mandami can be memok. Me country memo. Up to Ganani. Batino Taba, nak Bembes chick. Batino Taba, nak Bembes chick. Mino et kamradesejik, bemsejik. Ino, maseok. Aha. Notskak. Becca. Uya bimebza. Da bad. Utan biza. Mebza. Aha. Mebza. Mino beşik. Mujweda bad. Mujweda bad mebza. Opçuk no kun gezim mujweda bad. Mino beşik. Beşik attık mujweda banes. Kim mebza geyo. Gegom çinmasa gego. Becca. Ya bu beşik piç biza. Nadışma ba. Auci geta bad. Da hop çuğu no kun gezim auci geta bad. Aha. Nabatino tabanak. Gegom shit kamsek gegwa. Yabi basic. Toho moipsko ge. Oh, chishinog zegi be moipsko ge. Aha. Abeka. Masek. Kamsek. Miwim nek. Shkegwa eda baji vizat. The bush and the tamibso boss chicken. Oh, hop, tunan did them boss chicken. You don't eat talk the fish cock. Boss chicken. Oh, we get bit kushwe. Bit kushwe, we na. Me hushan the bit come kushwe to. Nushke. Oh, sock chishwe, but. Bekago di yak. Gegom shit kamsek kego. Yabago the gego beach with them. Hop, chugnog no. Phone is in Nibna. Skodeda ban nishke. Skodeda ban. Oh, munjidi niktaban. Wik benagwe. Skodeda ban. Oh, gik pinakena. Aha, Tim Masek, get come sek, that way a bit risky. Get come sek, where weep. Aha, Mimnik. Ja, das ist mir noch ein bisschen besucht, ja. Wir haben probiert, da war. Oh, moet je die maar bij ons kozen. Ja, probeer da war. Ons kozen, die goed, die moet ik tegen. Aha. Masek, ja, bij Masek. Get Masek. Ja, we gaan hier de beach daar waren, quoi. Aha, Mimnik, Bamamino. Aha, bit come down, God. Oh, beş kuşi da var. Beş kuşi. Da var ne, sen wike benan. Daha, sonra mami kom çekeme. Ja, we beşik nokta var. Bekar, gegom şe. Aha, me bezan gigi. Na, das ist mal, aber gut, da war. What done comic? Put it on the matchat. Stars, not even, no. Nonch, shit, the gosh, nango, daba, nak, kiwap mana, nick nango. Aha, come sec. Naha, bama, bama. Me, wetch, gig, nom, chigek.
Is this better than being at the bingo? Like I said, Esbeka and I, we all discuss, okay, what else should we let the kids know about? Eh? And there's many more, like the next 10. This one in particular, we did this because we think that children ought to know about residential schools, right? And so I tried to tell it with the kids in mind, how they would understand it. Myself, I went to residential school for 4 years, but we went home at Christmas and in the summertime. And I know the effects, hey? My own children, I didn't speak to them in the language. Oh, Mary Wabano, you're here. Ani Mary. She's the director? President of Shingwauk Kinoomaage Gamig here. So she wasn't able to make it this morning when we had the speakers. Anyway, so residential school played a lot in our lives that we sometimes regret. Mine was not speaking to my kids in the language, although I would say, Mother Ben, wait tan, like all those little commands, say. So that's all I did with my kids until one time when my daughter says, her and my oldest boy were at the table eating, finishing their dinner, and she says, Mom, Chris ain't we sneaking here? And I always remember that. You know, she was doing that, what do you call that? I forget what it's called, but when you include a Jaganashi Kidwin when you're speaking the language. And I thought, code switching, yeah, that's what it's called. But anyway, I thought to myself, what am I doing to my kids? She's probably writing like that, writing like that, we sneaking, you know, the teacher shouldn't have big red marks, you know. I think that's when I stopped speaking to them in the language. I shouldn't have stopped, you know, but you can't turn back the clock, right? You can't turn back time. So we try and do from here on in. And so I'm doing for all the residential school survivors that didn't speak their language to their kids. Here's a chance to introduce language to your grandchildren, your great-grandchildren. I have a little great-grandson in Ottawa, and I think that's really what pushed me 2 years ago, because he's at that age where he's watching. And I showed him one of the videos when I was down there this summer, and he's looking at that video real intently. And then he'll look at me, And then he's not speaking yet, eh? So he'll look at the iPad, and then he'll look at it, then he'll look at me as if to say, "Look, Miss is in here, and how come she's over here?" Exactly what the kids at daycare do, eh? They look in there, and they look at me, you know. So they're full of wonderment, eh? So here's a chance. So working for our children, our grandchildren, our great-grandchildren. So residential school survivors, I know sometimes we feel guilty for not passing on our language, you know, and for some reason or other, we didn't continue to speak our language to our children. My good friend here, Shirley Roach, was a good advocate of immersion, total immersion, because she was in the total immersion program at Bay Mills. And she'd be out there telling the chiefs, hey, the only way to bring back our language is through immersion. She was a real great advocate for immersion. So anyway, so let's watch the video on residential schools, and then we'll proceed with the last one after that.
Ani Benochiak, me maba at Barbara_Nolan. Ani nichkeik. Nangwa with watch matunim. Nin kashwibsia, gigachia. Pane ginashnabemme. Pane kinawaya ginashnabema. Gigachia. Pish ginana bongisya. Nana bongisya. No the Beshkan Barbara. No the Beshkan Barbara. Ginana bongisya. Kaingi shagana shimsi. Ka watch Beji Kidwin. Gi Kensin shagana shim winning Nikki. Midash enana bonigisya. Nin midon misse. Gima chingo me. Ode wasa. Kinoomaage Gamig tegen. Mampi ewam da megon nasa. Gashinagok. Kinoomaage Gamig nandan giaonon. En chignuench kaswat binochiak. Nenda pchigi gashiok. Piode ashin gaswat. Anen inana bonigesok. Piode gashi une gaswat. Kamam da. Ode. Anishinaabemowin. Abdek we jagnashima. Nidashingi jebsime ode. Papa, Mama, imagine what Nani go there. Maybe so chair. Papa, Squang skinny and give me arme. Gikchen and arme. We all Kinoomaage siam. Nin, minon, misse. Gikchen and arme. Mit der Schote Pene de Goschnang. Oh, giwam danga. Spram ret. Ode. Kinoomaage Gamig tek. Ma sap mampi. Msinat dek. Nen Kinoomaage Gamig. Ode gat tege. Nidash. Gibi nigat nagome ode gidak takkoge. Bapana gidak takkoge. Nidash ode gibi nigat nagome. Ja, det shreim. Ginanibwe. Nemekwe. Nish nemekweg. Gibisha hokuma. Pcheg na chun. Manda achkin gan gibindige ha. Nin minon messe. Gitchinin up me. Pcheg na chun. Choas kunin jigan egu dekshe. Chishpiming ute. Pcheg na chun. Sjos kudem gat kenagego. Pchigana chun chisak. Sjos kudem chisak. Asmatike wapshka. Kinige go gnachon. Zinchigna gebilk. Mina de beshik. Chibiat de gong. Gochin nene. Mio de ganabian. Abjugna kinan mam kazap me. Abjugunan den skish gunanin im chanon. Chinin abian. Mam kazap me. Kinige gong ginam dana. Midashmanda epichishitchigan. Epichamam kazap yangshe. Mi. Gina macha titik. Gini gi mucha macha. Bapam naba. Midashapi ekwekagaboyan. Bawiya bapam mamagagaboya. Misagi mata demyang. Pish papa. Pish mama. Midashmaba nemekwe. Mampigayat nish nemekwek. Mi gibe shato de maba. Mi gibe noche bedot ninch. Git tego meters. Gip shego me. Apchingi wisgenes ninchis. Ashna nana boniges etta. Migo bina. I noche betchagadek ninch. Migo bina. Kaingi kenzina. Anidash. Kajip shijewang. Zamna donishna bebme. Mage zam gik chimweme. Gik chimweme. Gide machat nosna. Kaingi kensi. Gi ameshe. Niwe bon etta. Gi eme te shwiwa ni banaman. Minwa nibing. Ni banamang nish nemegishik. Gigiem. Minadash nibing nish gises. Gigiem. Gineshin gigagagiam piche. Robskabian. Anint quesesak kaiwi ka gigesio. Kaigi kensi na awewat. Ni benagego ginachstuna. Ni benagego gib kamume. Aoyan Anishinaabemowin gib kamume. Ayabe. Abdek we shagnashi myang. Abdek we shagnashi and the man. Abdek shagnashi we shnagasiya. Miwe ode. Mampi Kinoomaage Gamig Kashreb Kiba Miwe Nungwa Department Naha Pamamira Miigwech Gignom Chigek Chimigwech Espike Gishkanda Nishnabek Nish Miigwech Winem Ginadma.
So that's my story. Actually, it is my story, what I remember from our first day going to Spanish residential school. One time, we were at dinner. I think Tommy John might be just been a little boy, and the rest, like he's 9 years younger than Mike and Dennis, and they were young adults then. And we were at dinner time, and I thought, you know what, I better, and this is when, in 1985, I think, and further on, that there was all this news about residential school and all that, and more awareness. I thought, well, let me tell them. So they were all there at dinner time, and I said, you know, I went to residence. Oh, we know that, Mom, you know. So we know you went there, and I kind of wanted their apology. I wanted their apology because sometimes I was very strict with my words and yelling and screaming at my kids, you know, and that's what we heard over there. We took that on. That was taught to us not to hug one another, you know. We couldn't go to the older grades and go and get hugs from our sisters. And they could not come to us because that was forbidden. There's a line there. You don't go to your family that's over in the upper grades. And we kind of felt that growing up. But I have one over here, and I'm going to give her a hug. Shirley. Yeah. And my older sister and Rosella. And it was Rosella and I first day at school. Yeah. I love these two very much. I grew up with them. My grandparents adopted me, raised me from birth just about. And I grew up with them as my sisters. I didn't know they were my aunties till I was 14 years old. And on the other side, I have my sisters here. Martina.
7 years again.
Yeah. And I have Gertie over here. And Pat. Abish Pat. And Pat. I think that's all. Pat. So that's two sides of my family. One I grew up with, the other I didn't grow up with. I didn't get to know them till much later. But they're still my sisters, and I love them very much, each and every one of them. So with that, then, I tried to be as gentle as I could in trying to tell my story to whoever listens now. If teachers want the English words, they can contact me and say, can you give us the English words to this? I'd like to teach it in my class, you know, but I'm not advertising it because I don't want additional work, you know. And so if they find a speaker somewhere and they want it translated, they can certainly do that. So we're going to close then with the last video, trying to bring up our spirits back up. By showing you this, the underwater thing. I mean, it shows me these clothes, the witch's clothes, the policemen. We did that outside, and I think it was the March break. It was kind of cold out there, so I was glad I had this big jacket on and this big hat. But it was freezing out there. And Anna and her partner came to watch. And it was really cold, right, Anna? Yeah, it was cold that day, and we're outside over there video recording. That was the policemen trying to stop the people from crossing the road and having the cars go by, or vehicles. Now, so the last one then we're going to watch is the underwater. There again, Esbekan shows me these clothes. I can't fit that. So he says, you gotta try, you gotta put it on. So I do as I'm told, eh? So we're gonna watch that last one. Now.
Ani Benochiak, me maba at Barbara_Nolan. Ani Nitskik, Nam Binda. Nishkab, Chipakino Chanda Temgak. Nishkewede, Nikik Kok. Swe yaok shke nish ega shichik nikiko da mabage bejik shike apchuna tabage sage mam shike mamam shike apchbati no kigoik makshwe ni beda Oi, Machi Shreok. Yabanen. Aptrakiyok. Igonsak. Matinok. Shka. Tayage. Shashko. The big what you have in Jabagwe. Gigo, Shashko. Bandom Danke. Just. Yage ote. Mang. Pishkan pisit. Bing, nam bing. Ya ma ban mang nishke. 엄마, 여기 기부상에 또야, 맥, 이 마법게 싸게 마법 맥. 안에 어디 남빙, 다시돈 왔다, 마법 맥. 여기, 식나 식. 오, we are eating eggy cat. We are eating eggy cat. 이거 마셔요. 식나우시. 야야, 어디가네 백. 아이고 됐지. 아이고 그참 됐지. 어디가네 백. 안광색. 아이 남비. 안광색. 또 여기 이백오기. 그럼 됐다. 와 뱀코. 지스모지 있어. Pishma bayendat. Ang begna na bachtan dagiye. Mishke. Na bachna spinning ne up da ne shawi ba. Yo na ba. Sabe. Sabe banduisne. Kade dik na bach. Ambe. Dagiye. Mama pimina. Miigwech Kinoomaage Gamig, Miigwech Speaker.
So that's the end of our launch. They are going to go up on YouTube now, and Colleen is making that happen. Colleen is the oldest of my kids. Where is she anyway? Apishat. Oh, way over there. And like she said, she's my go-to as far as technology is. Like I'll have something freeze on my computer and I'll call her, Colleen, what's happening over here? I can't unfreeze my picture or whatever. You know, so anytime I have problems, and she was very instrumental in helping our team organize today. You know, she put all the things up on Facebook and all that, and I don't know how to do that. I don't even know anything about, what you call that? TikTok. Yeah. I know nothing about TikTok. You know, I used to hear about it, I hear about it, and her and my granddaughter, Kaylee, they said, you should do TikTok videos, just two minutes. I said, well, I didn't even know how to put that up. So they put the thing up for me, and I said, I'll send you the recording and the translation, you put it up. So that anytime I find something funny, like that big long black limousine, yeah, so I enjoy doing that. I haven't done anything lately because I've been busy. So I'll have to try and be unbusy and find 2 minutes and get more up on the TikTok. So we have lunch waiting, and lunchtime, we'll go through here. The elders here first. If you want lunch delivered to you, Shirley, you can ask your helper to get it for you. Rosella, I'm not sure if you want to get your own, you know, and the rest of you up here can go this way, and you can come back out this way as well. Okay? So, and then we'll go table by table, or whoever's hungry first. But I'll let Jonathan end the show.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Well, holy jeez, eh? What a morning! What a morning together. You know, I'm so happy we ended off on that beautiful video too, because I don't know about everybody else, but this is just so meaningful. This initiative, you know, it is so important. It was hard not to get emotional at the second last video. It's that's the raw reality of many of our people, and that's our story. But it's individuals like you and you and your team that bring these beautiful movements forward. And it's for our next generations, it's for our kiddos, and for our adults as well. And I cannot thank you enough for doing this. It's just really makes the feel really, really good. And I think it's one thing that somebody once taught me is when you're in the mornings and you're getting the kiddos ready, is asking them, how's your spirit this morning? And I don't know about you, but my spirit right now is just feeling real tremendum, real good. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yes. You want to do it right here? Yeah, sure. All right. We before we do our lunches, we will do a presentation of gifts from Barbara. So we'll take it away.
I already took that thing that was bugging my ears over here, so I'd like to call on Mary Wabino to come and get a gift. I know she wasn't here early this morning, or not early, but 10, 11 o'clock, but she did make an attempt, and you're going to steal that.
I'm going to steal your microphone just for a few minutes. Miigwech, Barb. Bonjour. Good afternoon, I guess, now. 111. I might have to, first of all, apologize for coming in a little late. I had a few things going on at home and wasn't able to get out of the house early enough. But I wanted to take this opportunity on behalf of Shingwauk Kinoomaage Gamig. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Mary Wabino McKay. I'm the new President and Chief Academic Officer here at Shingwauk Kinoomaage Gamig. I believe I'm in my fifth week in the new role. Prior to that, I came from Algoma University, where I was the Vice President, working alongside the President in advancing the work around reconciliation, indigenization. But I wanted to take this moment before Barb presented all her gifts. I think it's very fitting that we present her with a gift of gratitude, as well as a gift of recognition for all her outstanding work that she's been doing for many, many decades. She certainly is a trailblazer. She's an Okemos to many. She's a leader in education, in Anishinaabe education, and Anishinaabemowin. And without her tireless work that often goes unrecognized or uncelebrated, I want to honor her this now with a little gift on behalf of SKG. We have a handmade quilt for Barb. We're going to wrap her in the quilt. In wrapping her in this blanket, we're honoring all of her tireless work. And like a true Nokomis wraps us in all of love and envelops her in all of her ancestral knowledge that she continues to share through her work, and we're so grateful. Miigwech.
Oh, miigwech.
Well deserved.
Oh my goodness. I don't think I turned myself on. Turn that on. I don't think I turned it.
She meant her mic.
Okay. Chimiigwech, stop. What? Chimiigwech for this. Oh my God, I think I have like 4 quilts now, and they're kind of getting heavy. Miigwech for that. Chimiigwech. Oh, shish, ma chisana. Oh my goodness. Miigwech.
I don't know how to turn this off.
I have no idea how this, I think I got it the wrong way, but use this. Okay, back up. I think I should just turn this off. I think I had it on backwards. And I tried to get him to put it on me. I think he made it worse. Okay, well, continue on with my gift giving. Thank you very much, Shingwauk Kinoomaage Gamig, for that lovely quilt. I'll have to change my quilt when I get home and put the new one on. Miigwech. Okay, continuing on with their gift giving here, I want to ask Marlene Pine. Marlene was one of our pipe for doing the pipe ceremony along with Dean Sayers. So I'd like to present you with that. Levi Landry, he did the fire keeping. He was here this morning early. Levi. Mipton. Oui, oui. Dean Sayers. Kinoomaage. Okay. When is? Yeah. Okay. Jonathan Nolan. Miigwech for being the MC. Jonathan always brings life to that MC. He's not a dry MC. You know, he makes it happy. Miigwech. Okay, now I'd like to call on my partner in crime here. It's Biket. Making me wear all those things here. Put this on, put this on. I can hardly squeeze into that underwater suit, eh? And then his brother for taking care of the sound and the lighting. Just a little token of appreciation. And I'd like to call on Rosella for being my sister. Rosella always asks me to drive her somewhere. Not all the time, but you know, sometimes when I'm not busy, I'll say, okay. And I asked her one time, her and Mabel, my cousin Mabel, to go with me to Pishabi town to the language thing. And I asked them so they can keep me company. You know what they do once they get in the car? And once we get going a couple of miles down the road? They fall asleep. So I turn up the radio and, you know, wake them up. Miigwech, Rosella. And Shirley, if you want to come up and get your little gift. It's just a little token of my appreciation that you come to share. All these miles they traveled a long way. And then I'd like to call on Martina and Gertie and Pat. Det må jeg sagt. Man kan ikke bare sjekke kaminen. Jeg min Pat. Åh. Det må jeg sagt. Vi går et skrive seg. And then I'd like to call on, oh yeah, I got some more gifts there. Jeanette Corsten. Apis Jeanette. Wait there. Okay, Jeanette. I met Jeanette years ago, and I was at the bingo at the Moose Lodge. And Jeanette was sitting across from me, and so I knew she was Anishinaabe, you know, because she's playing bingo. But we got to know each other, you know, and we become friends. Sometimes we call each other my twin. Yeah. In our discussions at the bingo, I find out she's my niece. But we didn't touch up on that right away. We later grew, you know, as we get to know each other, and I find out she's my niece. Miigwech, and welcome to our family. Now I'd like to call on Anna Riley. Gid. And Gordon. Miigwech, Gordon, keep it shy. Okay, now I'd like to call on Colleen and Tommy. Is Tommy still here? He left? Jeez, that guy. My oldest and my youngest. And then I'd like to call on one of my newest addition to my immediate family is Peter. As I mentioned earlier, Peter's going on to the Northern Ontario School of Medicine to be a doctor. Presently, he's a nurse, and he was in the ICU department, but I don't want to see him over there. And then I'd like to call on Chief McCoy. And Chief Bell. I got 4 left, but they're going to be up for auction. No, just kidding. If you feel that you deserve a little gift, please come up and see me. Oh, only 4 people though, because I only got 4 left. But I would like to acknowledge Lynn Pine. Lynn does a lot of work for me at the daycare. She's actually my apprentice, and so she's picked up a lot of language during the past couple of years. So, Lynn, Ma Bijan. She's going to come sliding in like me. Lynn always says, "Don't let me talk up there. Don't make me do that." And I made her, right. And then I would like to acknowledge, I know the Shingwauk Kinoomaage Gamig team did a lot of work with all this, you know. But I really, really like to acknowledge the manager of the Child and Family Services in Garden River, Luann. Luann Pine. Luann, like I said, her department, they're going to sponsor the completion of the next 10 videos. So I'd really, really appreciate. I'm just trying to see who's out there. There's an individual. Oh, yes. My sound person over there. Ben Jonah. I really don't know what to call him, aside from Ben Jonah. You know, so he's Ben Jonah to me. He's a son of what was your mom's name? Brenda Jonah. Brenda passed away from cancer, and she used to work at the daycare. She was one of the first workers at daycare years ago. And then she went on to be a drummer, a hand drummer, and they all used to come to graduation. So I held her in like goodness, eh? And with Ben and her, you know, she produced 2 boys, him and his brother, and they look alike. I called the other guy Ben Jonah too, you know, and he says, no, I'm his brother. Oh, okay. And I'd like you. I really don't know what to call him. I mean, a sound man, or like he's the one responsible for all this, you know, and for the live streaming. Like there was people, I don't know how many people were on live stream, but imagine quite a few were on live stream. Okay, and I'm going to leave that last one in case I forgot myself. No, just kidding. Now, so I think we better eat, eh? Okay. So, Jonathan?
Sure. Awesome. Well, I'm really glad to hear that I'm not a born MC. I must get some of the energy from my auntie. Excuse me. I was just thinking, too, while she was showing us her videos, I was like, she would be an awesome partner at charades. Hey? All right, so as she mentioned, we will close off in a good way. Just want to say, Apachagol miigwech to everyone that made it out here safely. I hope you all make it home back to your respective fires safely. But let's celebrate together and have some food and feast together. So as she mentioned, this first section up here, if we can get you and any of your helpers to go get your food. And then our women, and then our men, and then of course before our elders, or after our elders, anybody that has any health issues. No?
Maybe we could have somebody come up with a prayer for our meal.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, it'd be a prayer for our meal plus closing.
Prayer, okay.
So maybe call on either Rosella maybe, or Shirley.
Sure.
Maybe Mark.
Mark?
No, get Rosella.
Rosella.
Yeah. Rosella, we're going to ask you to just say a prayer before meals. Here.
Nanibwik. Shemna do de ben miang. Miigwech kinige gonango anda hishika kajrebak ganan kiang gagnom damang. Nangodash buksen me go huinamet man mi wami jiang wimna kaugyang eje wawiyang eje nendamang eje deyang wimna nadmag win pane enda kiange ninwe miigwech.
Aha, wisneda. Did you want to do final words or anything?
Awesome. Miigwech. Good to go. Miigwech.
Shingwauk Kinoomaage Gamig, Shingwauk SBK, Gishkanda, Kedrinong, Anishinaabemowin Nation. Miigwech winim ginagmage, nandan sinat des chingasan gisha chigadege. Shingwauk Kadigo. Mahal, mama.